Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on Motorola Signature. Okay, so as you take a look, we are in the setup process and I'll show you how you can transfer data from a previous device into your Motorola, and then I'll show you how you can restore the backup from Google One. So first select your language and click on Start. And as you take a look, the first option that appears on our screen is possibility to set up our Motorola using another device. First we need to select the type of previous device. In my case it's Android, and now we need to scan this QR code using our previous phone. I'm about to use Google Lens for that. Okay. Now both devices are going to connect to each other, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay. Now, in my case, I have to draw the screen lock that I have on my previous device as a confirmation. As you take a look, our phone is automatically connected into the same network that we were connected on our previous phone. Okay, you get in the phone ready, scroll down, click on Accept and Continue. Once again, we need to wait. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. You can also read it, so simply be patient and wait. Okay, if you want, you can insert your SIM card right now or set up your eSIM. I'll skip it, don't worry, everything is also available later. You can also enable the fingerprint unlock. I'll skip it. Okay, copy apps and data. Click on Next. Again, ready to copy, we need to wait. Okay, now we have that list. When it comes to things such as Gmail, Google Photos, Contacts and Calendar, they are synced automatically. And now from that, let's select what you want to copy. In my case, I want to copy everything except apps. If you have select everything, click on Copy. The process will begin in the background, and now we just need to go through the setup process. So scroll down, click on Accept. Now we have backup services. They are really useful and I always highly recommend turning them on. Now we need to select our default browser and also the search engine. I always use Google Chrome, click on Set as Default, and Google as my search engine. I want to continue the setup. Now we have a feature that will let contacts nearby find and share with us. In here we can read how it works. I'll agree, why not? Click on Continue. Now we have the Gemini, which is our personal AI assistant. And now we can turn on the feature that will let us launch the Gemini by simply saying this sentence, "Hey Google." I'll agree, why not? You can add your card into Google Pay. You can review those additional apps. Okay, we're nearly done. Okay, copying's finished. You can sign up into Motorola account. I'll skip it. Select navigation method, buttons or gestures, it's up to you. You can also change the button order if you're interested. I'll stick to buttons. Okay, select the theme, light, dark or transition. You can set up parental controls if this device is for your child, for example. I'll skip it. Click on Go to my home screen, and now we are ready to use our phone. Also, some of the things might still be installed in the background, as you can see. You can check it in the notification bar, so don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet and simply wait until everything gets installed. Okay, that was the first method. Now I'll show you how we can restore the backup from Google One. Okay, again we are doing the setup process. Select language, click on Start. But this time, when you have possibility to set up our phone using another, click on skip. We need to manually connect to the Wi-Fi this time, so select available network for you and type password to it. Then click on connect. Okay, click on more and accept. Okay, I'm setting this phone for myself. Okay, and now the most important part. We need to sign in into the exact same Google account on which we made the backup before. It is really important because if you sign in into wrong account, you won't have possibility to restore your backup. So connect into proper account, first type the mail. Then click on next, and now we will have to type the password also. Click on next if you have typed. Okay, now I also need to verify using my second phone. Okay, click on agree. Now you can insert your SIM card if you are interested. You can set a PIN. I'll skip everything up for now. Now copy apps and data. Click on next. And now select which backup you want to restore. In my case, I want this one, so I just need to select it. Now, when it comes to Google Photos, Gmail, Calendar, and Drive, those things are synced automatically. Down below you can see a list from things that we can restore. I want to restore everything except my app, so I will unselect them. And if you have selected everything that you want, click on restore. Okay, now scroll down, click on accept, and just like in the previous method, we just need to go through the setup process right now. So now we have backup options. I'll turn them on because they are really useful. Click on next, select default browser, just like in the previous method. I'll pick Google Chrome and Google as my search engine. Let's continue the setup. Now we have that feature that will let contacts nearby find and share with us. In here we can read how it works. I always agree to that. Now the Gemini, we can launch that alternate option of turning on the Gemini by simply saying, hey Google. Let's turn it on. Click on OK. Now we need to wait. Okay, if you are interested, you can sign in into that Motorola Fans Club. I don't want it, so I'll skip it for now. Everything is of course available later in the settings, so don't worry if you don't do it now. You'll have possibility to do it later. Okay, select navigation style. I'll stick to buttons. You also have gestures. Select your theme, light, dark, or transition. You can set up the parental controls. I don't want it, I'm an adult. Click on finish. Click on go to my home screen. And now we are ready to use our phone. And just like in the previous method, some of the things might still be installed in the background, so don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet and wait until everything gets downloaded. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.